I hope you enjoy your Polish egg salad for the appetizer. The main course I'm cooking today is Bigos, which is a Polish hunter stew with sauerkraut, Savoy cabbage, and toasted sourdough on the side. A Polish chef based here in Singapore cooked Bigos for me for the first time this week. I hope mine tastes as delicious as hers was. My motto is, it's not about what's on the plate, it's about the story behind it, which is why I'm excited today to cook Bigos. The Bigos which Poles eat today has its root in the 18th century. Bigos was taken on journeys for hunting, hence the name Hunter's Bigos. While hunting, Bigos was served with a chair. The pre-prepared Bigos was heated on a dish with a sealed lid. When enough pressure had built up, the lid would erupt with a loud cheer and signify that the Bigos is ready for consumption. I hope you have enjoyed the dishes we have presented to you today. Perhaps one day you can try them at home. Cheers!